Welcome back to Michigan Mud Mechanic. We are getting into the Mazda today, and we're going to try to get the cams bolted back on. I'm going to try to get the timing chain in there. It'd be nice to be able to spin this thing over, but I'm not really ready to put the cover back over the timing chain, so I don't think I'm going to get that far. When I do, maybe it'll all just be one video. Please like and subscribe, and let's jump into this. So it's a little windy today. I get my oil in big jugs, so I just kind of put some into this syringe that came with the turbo. I should oil all of this stuff too. Make sure we're well lubricated for startup. Oh, hey, it wanted the rest of the oil right there at the end. You know what, let me get some more oil so we can put it on the lobes of the cam too. Go. Want my Is that all the way upside down? I think that's all the way upside down. Yeah, that's where it goes. And then there's a, I don't know if you can see it, because this one's just an indentation. Oh yeah, you can see it. That's timing mark. Once it's bolted down, that and the plate is in that groove, then that dot will be top dead center. Whoops. I kept everything in order, taking it apart. All right. Okay, so you can see that there's a gap between the cap and the head, and then it's close over here, and it's because it's sitting on top of the valves. So you're supposed to torque this down can't remember the exact number, but it's inch pounds and then foot pounds. And I don't have inch pounds torque wrench. So, I was working on something earlier on the Blazer, so I forgot to pick up some of my tools. So I'm just going to kind of go in sequence and bring that down until it touches the head. The actual sequence bounces here, 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 here. Does both cams at the same time. You see, this is already loose now. Just want to bring it down till it touches the head. And I'm going to call that my first sequence, because I don't have the inch pounds torque wrench. But I know what I'll be getting next. I do like my new tools. Alright, I'm going to go get my torque wrench and the paper that tells me the sequence and the actual torque specs. So by the looks of what I found here, it says 5 to 9 inch pounds, and then 11 to 12 foot pounds for step 2. Don't seem like they're torqued down very hard, does it? Be 45 to 79 inch pounds. Alright, here we go. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that's not too bad. I mean, it sounded weak, but it's a long bar, putting some pressure on it. Can't even see what I'm doing, can ya? Looks like I probably should go back over all of these again, because I turned a lot more to get a second click out of it. Uh-oh. Yep. That's not good. Alright, well, I'm a bolt short. This camera's a little better. This is why you always get new bolts, right? So I'm gonna shut it down, guys. I'm ordering new bolts for this. Yeah, that's I'll probably take that back off. We're gonna order new bolts. That's crazy. Broke her right in half. I got extremely lucky that I stopped turning that bolt and backed it out before I lost this inside that head. So I'll take that as a win. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.